Hey guys, what's going on? We got another episode of the Ram build series. I believe this is going to be part 6. And today we're going to be using some fishing line. And if any of you guys have been following my last videos and stuff that I said I might be doing to this thing, that might give you a good indication of what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, we're going to get right into that. I'm going to do that on film, so you're going to actually see a time lapse of all that and how it's done basically. And also I'm gonna start doing some how-to videos here within the next few weeks, and probably there's geese flying everywhere today. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna do some how-tos, and I'm gonna start doing some reviews on some things, like headlights, just anything, any reviews on stuff that I bought and have. And I am by no means sponsored by any of these companies, so it's just my honest opinion and honest review on everything that I have. So yeah, we'll start putting some of those videos together. Also guys, thank you for your input on all my videos. Thanks for the comments, the feedback, the suggestions, your opinions. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And here's another thing for everyone to think about. The truck being wrapped. Would you guys like to see this be wrapped or not, left alone? Or what color wrap I should do, or crazy wrap, anything. Let me know in the comments section, and I guess we'll see what happens with that. I was thinking about a wrap, but I don't really know which direction I would go with it. So if you guys have any suggestions or opinions, let me know. So we are leaving my house right now, and we are heading to the auto store to get a few things for today's wonderful project that we are doing. Got a lot of plans for some future videos that I'm going to be doing. Some future build videos with this, obviously. I have a video that I want to put up of Buddy's car, which is pretty original, I would say. I mean, there's quite a few around, but it's not like a Mustang or something like that there's millions of them around. So we'll have that up sometime. Not sure exactly when that's gonna be. We gotta do some more filming and get the edit and everything done and wrapped up. Let's just all take a look at the struggle of keeping this pavement princess clean. The daily struggle of this driveway is the worst part of trying to keep this truck clean. When it rains, this is a mud pit, and when it's dry, it's dusty. So I just can't win. I should try and invent something that I could fly this up my driveway and not have to even drive it on it. But what can I do? Nothing, I guess. I mean, I guess if it's really dirty, I could just drive it in the pond and wash it off. Is that a good idea, or probably not? Maybe? I don't know. Headed back from the auto store. Picked up some stuff for today's project. Not really sure about this because I've never used this stuff. Never seen it used. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a shot, give it a try, see how it works out. I might like it, I might hate it. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, well, as you can see how dark it's getting, it's actually starting to rain. So yeah, we're gonna have to move this inside and continue the process of the debadging. So yeah, it's insanely dark out here right now. The geese have been flying north all day so far. Yeah, I'm really glad my truck wasn't sitting outside right now. Pretty sure it just hailed slightly. Alright, so we got one side finally done. It actually turned out really clean. I think I'm really gonna like the look of this. And basically what I did, I used the fishing line and got around the back of it, just kept working it, as you've seen in the time-lapse videos. Which it basically just pulled it off. You just slice through the adhesive basically, and then you could pull the badge off. And then I went and used this turtle wax label and sticker remover. And like I said, I never used this stuff before, never even really knew it existed. So I gave it a shot. It actually works pretty well. You gotta let it sit for about a minute or so to remove the adhesive and like loosen it up, and it works pretty well. Sometimes you have to use it a couple times, but it seemed to work well. So then to remove that, I just used some soapy water to remove all of the sticker remover, and then I went from that to just some ultimate quick wax and then finished it off. And I must say, it looks amazing. I think I'm definitely gonna like this a lot more. It's gonna be a lot cleaner look. So yeah, we're gonna go to the other side and the back and get it done. Alright guys, just to clarify here on how to remove the adhesive once you actually have the badges off. You simply, I'll just do it on the one here. You simply just want to pull up a corner of it. It doesn't really matter whichever corner. And you want to get enough that you can grab it. And then you want to like pull it up and out at like a 45-degree angle. And just kind of let it do its thing. And it will tear on you. But then you have minimal adhesive that you have to remove. Rather than if you go ham on it and try and remove it all and just go ripping away, you're going to have so much more adhesive that you're going to need to remove from it. We'll do 0 here. You just pull kind of towards yourself, like up and away almost. And just let the tape do the work and pull. Don't get too aggressive. Like I said, you will tear it. But I mean, you still, doing it this way, you have minimal adhesive. It's only around the outside edges that you're gonna have to remove. Anything on the inside, there's nothing there. It's just paint like the rest of the door. So it's a lot easier that way, and the adhesive comes off quicker. If you try and do it, just go try and ripping it off and just peeling it off, folding it over itself and peeling it, you're just gonna keep tearing and tearing and tearing it. So So yeah, we got a Ram 50 now. Alright guys, we finally got the whole entire truck done and debadged. Had a lot of you guys telling me to go ahead and do it. So here it is, finished product. I think it turned out amazing. It looks great. It's so clean. I love the clean look. And that turtle stuff that I bought to remove the adhesive worked actually really well. Pretty good. Entire truck view. So yeah, no more carbon fiber badges. Obviously the ram head and the tailgate had to stay due to the fact of it being sunk into the tailgate. But either way, that's minor.